How to clear YouTube history on any device. Let's get started. First, launch your YouTube app. You'll be directed to the home page. Now, at the bottom right corner, you're gonna find your profile icon. Click on that. Once you're in this page, click on the settings icon given at the top right corner. Different options will appear. Navigate to the option Manage All History. You'll be directed to this page. Now here you're gonna find different section. Head over to the section Controls. Now scrolling down, here you're gonna find this option, include the YouTube videos that you watch, include your searches on YouTube, include YouTube voice and audio activity. Check in for all these options. Now click on Manage History. Click on this drop down for Delete. Select the option of your choice, Delete Today, Delete Custom Range or Delete All Time. I'm gonna select Delete All Time. Now click on Delete. Click on Got It, and just with that you have deleted all of your YouTube history. By following the same steps, you are able to delete your YouTube history on any device. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.